this way. Yep. Well, chat, just left the meet. Got to see a lot of cool different bikes. Couple H2s there, lots of BMWs, lots of Ducatis, and of course, the best part of the night, I got to meet the Midwest rider himself. So that was pretty cool. He's a pretty chill dude. I actually hung with him for the entire night because there was nobody else that I knew. So that was pretty nice. Man, look at this view, chat. Wow, chat, look at this view. Hopefully traffic's not as busy as it was coming in here. I didn't record anything of the meet, like, I don't know, even though everybody there are bikers and Instagrammers, like, it just felt weird carrying a camera around. Oh man, I hope my camera battery lasts through here, because this is cool. Because I didn't swap out my battery. Also got to meet Kate. I'm sorry I don't remember your actual username. But yeah, got to meet Kate. She was really nice. Got to meet Midwest Rider. He was really nice. And got to meet a follower for the first time. So shout out Sabrina. That we spent the entire time I was there trying to find each other because I kept moving around. Oh my. Look at the clouds up there. There is some good lightning goings on. Gotta check the radar. Yep. I'm pretty much driving straight into a storm. Yeah. That's what I'm driving into, chat. Oh goody. How long do I have? Okay. I think I might get a little wet, but I don't think I'm driving into... I don't think I'm gonna be in like a storm. Okay. Maybe I am. Oh! Great. That's fantastic. There's cloud to ground lightning now. Okay. Hopefully I'm going away from that. Okay, I am not driving away from that. I'm actually driving directly towards it. Oh! I've got an hour trip driving through a lightning storm at night in a place I'm unfamiliar with entirely. Does not sound like my idea of a fun Saturday night. Oh, that's just great. I just gotta be faster than lightning, chat. Okay. I gotta figure out if I'm just gonna ride through this storm, because I only got about 50 minutes left on my trip. or if I'm gonna pull over and try to find a place to wait it out. But it could be a while. Hey, if I get struck by lightning, I'll only go faster, right? Hey, maybe it's not even raining. Maybe there's just lightning right now. One can hope. I just hope that it doesn't like downpour on me. Okay. We're in the storm now, chat. We are no longer observing it from a distance. We are now we are in the storm. It's not raining yet, but there's plenty of lightning. Oh, I think it's raining now. Yep, it's raining. That buddy was stopped. Oh man, I should have stopped by him. Okay, it's raining pretty bad. Okay, it's pretty bad. Chad, I have no idea where I am. It's like a skating pond, chat. Okay, it is downpouring. Holy cow! Where am I, chat? Oh, I should have gone underneath that overpass. I need to stop desperately. Show me a gas station. Oh, why is the next gas station so far away? Oh my goodness, this sucks. How long is it supposed to be raining for? Oh, so all night. Well, maybe we just, Yeah. Do I try to get to the next overpass? Because I missed that one. What is this place here? Ah, Chad, I'm in such a bad spot right now. I mean, the roads are like, it's like ice. Where's the nearest gas station? This quick trip, 4.8 miles. Okay, it's lightened up a little bit. I'm gonna try to get to that quick trip. Okay, let's do this, chat. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. It's actually like ice. I think I need to drive on the shoulder. But that's all being washed out. I actually need the gravel. It's like ice, dude. I'm skating around. I just gotta drive on the shoulder. And I don't have hazards, so I just have to use my blinker. Oh wait, is that an overpass? Okay, we're gonna stop underneath the overpass. Okay, it's definitely let up significantly, so I think I'm just gonna go. Ah, it's still like a skating pond. Ow! There's something relaxing about going 30 miles an hour on a freeway. I just feel like I'm slipping around everywhere. I feel like it shouldn't be that bad. Okay, we're gonna try it, chat. Okay, it's not terrible. It is still pretty bad, so I will be going slower. And people can go around me and use the left lane. What gear was I in? I just stopped like 4 gears. we're back on the road. I don't know if it's just like me being paranoid, but I feel like my back tire's just slipping all over the place. We're just gonna take it easy, chat. We're just gonna take it easy, nice and easy. I should have put on my sweatshirt when I was stopped, but that would require me getting my suit half off, digging out my sweatshirt from my backpack, which is probably already soaked, and then getting said sweatshirt on, then getting my suit back on. Chat, when does hypothermia kick in? If I'm cold and wet and it's like 60 some degrees out, but I'm going 65 miles an hour and I'm shivering in my boots, when would hypothermia kick in? Do I have 40 minutes? Because that's how much time I have left on my trip. About, I can barely see the road. I'm just going based off of the tail lights in front of me and the headlights behind me. Oh, rain is getting down my suit. A little life advice for you, chat. Life is what you make it. I could be just all around having a bad time. And it's not to say that I'm having, you know, a great time right now. Obviously, I'm not. I would rather be doing pretty much anything else right now. But life is what you make it. And this is the hand we've been dealt. And we got to work with it. I can't stop the rain, so we keep on going. We figure it out. Hey, plus side, if I would happen to go down, you know, the roads are so slick that I'd probably just slide like a slip and slide. I mean, especially with my full suit on, I would just slide down the road, man. This isn't that bad anymore, though. Oh. Oh. The way down to Milwaukee, I spent pretty much the entire time in the left lane. Now the way back is going to be pretty much the entire time in the right lane. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This kind of sucks. But could be worse. Anytime I hear myself starting to complain about stuff like that, I just imagine myself being forced to work in a cobalt mine at 8 years old. And then I'm like, well, could be worse. Chad, I might take a nap. I'm getting pretty tired. I might just take a nap. Wake me up when we get there, Chad. Oh. Oh man, I just had the craziest dream. I had this dream that I got caught in a huge thunderstorm, and then I made the decision to pull over onto a exit ramp instead of going underneath the overpass. I don't know why I would have done that. I feel like a smart person would have gone underneath the overpass. Not exactly sure what's going on here. I'm not a huge fan of this. Is this guy gonna turn? Or... Come on. 15 more minutes and I'm there. Come on. Come on.